Every year in the UK, the tax year ends on April 5th. Then the new tax year starts on the April 6th. We are about 2 weeks away from this date. Many people ignore this date, but the truth is, April 5th is one of the most important financial deadlines in the UK. If you miss certain things before this date, you could lose some benefits, some allowances, and even you can lose some money that you could have saved. Today, let's talk about the 5 most important things you should do before April 5th. Let's go. The first thing we're going to talk about is use your ISA allowance. One of the easiest ways to save money in the UK is through an ISA, which is the individual savings account. Every year, the government allows you to save up to £20,000 inside an ISA, and the benefit is simple. You do not pay tax on any interest or investment growth through an ISA. But the most important thing is that if you don't use your ISA allowance before April 5th, you lose it forever. It does not roll over into the next year. So for an example, if you put £2,000 into your ISA this year, the remaining allowance of £18,000 disappears on the April 5th. So from April 6th, the allowance resets back to £20,000. So even if it's £500 or £1,000 that you can save into your ISA, it's still worth it. 2 is to use your pension tax relief. Another powerful thing that many people ignore is pension contributions. When you contribute money to a private pension or a workplace pension, the UK government actually adds tax relief to your contributions. For example, if you contribute £80, the government automatically top it to £100. That's basically free money towards your retirement. But again, this benefit works per tax year. So if you want to boost your pension contribution, it's better you do it before April 5th. Once April 6th arrives, the tax year resets. 3 is to use your capital gains tax allowance. This point is very important to people who invest in things like the cryptocurrencies, stocks, investment funds, and into properties. In UK, there is capital gains tax allowance every year. This means that you can make profit from your investments without even paying tax. So, if you made profits this year, you may want to sell some of your investment before April 5th to make use of this year's tax-free allowance. But if you wait till April 6th, that profit falls into the next tax year, and you might not be able to use this year's tax-free allowance. Many investors in the UK use this strategy every year to reduce their tax bill legally. Let me pause you here for a second. If today is your first time watching my videos, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so that when I upload new video, you'll be the first person to see it. Let's continue. Number 4 is to check your national insurance contributions. This is very important for immigrants who want to qualify for UK state pension. To receive full UK state pension later in life, you usually need about 35 qualifying years of national insurance contributions. And most immigrants have gaps in their national insurance records. If you are missing some years, you may have the option to pay voluntary national insurance contributions to fill those gaps. Why does this matter? Because missing years could reduce your pension when you retire. So before April 5th is the best time for you to check if there are some gaps that needs to be filled in your national insurance contributions. The last one is to submit your self-assessment preparation if you are self-employed. If you are self-employed, doing side hustles, or even running a small business, you should start organizing your financial records before April 5th. This includes things like income records, business expenses, invoices, receipts, etc. Why is this important? Because when the tax year ends, you will eventually need to submit your self-assessment tax returns to the HMRC. So preparing the records earlier makes the whole process easier and less stressful. This is the summary of all that we've said today. Before April 5th, make sure you use your ISA allowance. Consider adding to your pension. Use your capital gains tax allowance. Check your national insurance record. Organize your self-employment records. These small actions can save you thousands of pounds over time. Many immigrants came to the UK just to work hard, but the real advantage is when you understand how the system works. The tax year ending on April 5th is one of those moments where little knowledge can save you a lot of money. If you have learned something today, I want you to like the video and drop your comment below. See you in the next video.